the game. It's a rich thing.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Diamond, I'm 12 years old, and don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe, and turn your post notifications so you're notified whenever I upload a new video. And also don't forget to follow me on my Instagram and on my Snapchat. But in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I plan out my YouTube videos for a week, how I get the contents that I'm going to post, how I just keep a good workflow, and how I balance YouTube with school and home life, and just all the tips and tricks and secrets to how I get my content for my videos and how I post consistently every single 2 days. So if you want to find out all the secrets, make sure to stay tuned till the end. But without further ado, let's get on with the video. Let's go! Guys, I feel like I'm really indecisive because 5 minutes ago my hairstyle was different, but now it's this, but we move. But my setup's kind of a little bit different, guys, because I'm at my desk and you guys can see my camera that I'm using to film my computer and showing you guys on how I used to do my videos and how I used to get ideas using YouTube. So I'm going to be showing you guys that. So I'm just going to press record on this camera. And then once we started recording, I'm going to show you guys. So as you can see at the top here, guys, there are a bunch of different categories. You've got Roblox, life hacks, virtual school, and much more. And normally I just like to go on whichever category applies. I'm not quite sure what's going to be in that category, but I just pick a category like haul videos. And then you see a bunch of different haul videos, like what I got for my birthday haul. And it also helps me with my titles and stuff. And then I would press on the video that I wanted to choose, for example, this one. And then I would, let me just try it for that. And then I would take notes on how this video is set out, ideas that I could use. But more videos where I would take proper notes is videos like sit down and chill videos. So let me just find a category that is similar to that. So like I was saying, I want to replay Roblox, and I stuff like that, gaming videos. So I press on some morning and I note down around 20 to 50 ideas that I could use. So you got my real school morning routine. I also look at some titles that are I'm looking at videos that have got lots of views by their titles as well. So I can go into virtual school and just different types of categories. But how I found trending videos is I press the explore button, and then you can press on the category so you got trending, music, gaming, news, movies, fashion, beauty, and I'm just gonna press on trending, so trending videos. I'm gonna pick the category of trending, just now trending. So that's all the categories in general. You got music videos and stuff like that. But most of the trending on my page for some reason are all to do with gaming, which is not something that I post on my channel, often, so I normally just go back to home. But if your videos are gaming videos, factual videos, the explore button and going to trending feature is definitely for you. So that's how I plan a couple of ideas that I'm going to use, a couple of titles for my videos by using YouTube. And guys, as some of you know, because I hit 1k subscribers on YouTube, I've got the community tab, and I also ask ideas on there. So I go to my channel, which is your channel, and onto community. Okay, throwbacks. Okay, you go into community, and then I just post recent videos, video ideas. Let me try and scroll down to find one where I say here, hey guys, can you give me some ideas and content that I should post? And you guys respond and you guys give me ideas. And I have another one when I first hit 1k subscribers, or when I first found out that there was a such thing as the community tab feature, because I didn't really know I had it when I hit 1k at the start of YouTube. So let me just scroll down all the way to that, which was, here was my first one on my YouTube channel, because I never used to know that community tabs were a thing. And as you can see, guys, hi Diamonds, I'll be promoting small YouTube videos. So I just it also helps me with YouTube video ideas by using my community tab, and I also post on my Instagram stories and stuff on if you guys can give me video ideas and stuff. So make sure to go follow my Instagram to give me future video ideas like this one. So that's how I plan out my videos and give myself video ideas. So yeah, I also get some of my YouTube video ideas from some of you guys because some of you email me some video ideas that I can use. So I just want to say thank you so much for the ones that sent me email, and thank you so much to this person that sent me this absolutely amazing email with a variety of video ideas. So I just want to say thank you so much for that. And I would show you guys the ideas that I have on my phone, but sadly I'm using both of them to film this video. But if you want me to do a part 2 on video ideas, make sure to comment down below because I'm willing to share my thoughts and ideas with you guys. But I also write my ideas and times that I want to schedule my videos in my bullet journal. So I might be in school, but I already have 3 videos up scheduled and coming at a specific time and things like that. So that's how I get my ideas. So once I finish getting all my video ideas up on my notepads and stuff, I don't go straight ahead and film my videos because now I'm taking my YouTube seriously. I use this app called TubeBuddy. There are 3 different types of versions. There's the free version and 2 other versions, but I'm currently using the pro version, I think it's called. You have to pay around £15. I would pay it myself, but I'm saving up money for a MacBook Pro so I can have good quality videos and edit my videos better. So because I really want to prove to you guys that I'm working hard on my videos. So I just want to say thank you so much, Mom and Dad, for paying the pro version of TubeBuddy for me. But I've already got it all set up on my computer. So what I do is press this symbol over here and just press on it, and then I scroll until I find the keyword explorer. I press onto that and it should load, and once it finishes loading you can just search up the keyword that you want to use. For example, let's put what's on my iPhone 11 Pro Max, and then I'm just going to search that and see. And then once you finish searching it will come up with the overall score and score analyze. So as you can see, it says fair, which is actually pretty good, guys, because it shows that a lot of people have been using this topic, but it also makes you have to work harder, have a good thumbnail, have a good description, and make sure your video will rank at the top. For example, if I search up year 7, just year 7 shopping, because one of my videos were ranking at the top as well. If I search up year 7 shopping, as you can see, my first video is ranked at the top. So you need to have a good thumbnail, good description to make sure your video will rank highest. Because even if my video doesn't have as much views, it only has 1.2k views, and other videos have 210k views, because of the thumbnail, because of the description, that is why it's ranking higher, and because it has a good title which make people want to click onto the video. So you need to make sure you have all of those requirements to make sure your video will rank higher. So let me search up, for example, just what's on my iPhone 11, and let me see what would show up for that. So as you can see this, guys, it says it is poor, but if you go onto unweighted, guys, it says although this keyword is searched often, it is a bad target because it's extremely competitive and a hard rank, which means loads of people have been using this title, and it's going to be harder for you to reach the top, for you to be the first video that people will click on. So that's why it says it says fair here, but for weighted it says it's poor. Even though it has extremely good search volume, the competition is pretty hard and it's really hard to rank. So that is the difference between weighted and unweighted types of target. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it, and all I do to get my videos planned and how I plan my YouTube videos. I really hope this video will help you guys for future videos and future video ideas. And I have been wondering, guys, if I should do how I edit my thumbnails, because quite a lot of you guys seem to like my thumbnails. So comment down below, because I'll be happy to film that video for you guys. But I really hope you enjoyed it, and please don't forget to subscribe because we're trying to reach 2k subscribers. And don't forget to like this video and share so other people people can see this video and it can help other people. I really hope you enjoyed it. That's it for now. Until next time, Diamond. Bye guys!